Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by getting the basics right so sign-in issues aren't environmental. First, update iOS and the Gmail app because old builds break OAuth flows. Once done, verify your network. Switch airplane mode on then off, or join a different Wi-Fi to rule out connectivity. Next, open Gmail on a computer to confirm the account isn't locked or flagged for suspicious activity. This confirms whether the problem is device-specific versus account security. Now you'll tackle the account connection. Remove the Gmail account from Settings Mail Accounts, then restart the Mail or Gmail app before re-adding it to force a fresh OAuth handshake. If you use Apple Mail, confirm a map is enabled in Gmail web settings because Mail relies on a map. If your account uses two-step verification, create an app-specific password or use the Google sign-in prompt. This explains why classic passwords sometimes fail during iPhone sign-in. Finish by eliminating local caching and time mismatches. Restart your iPhone and make sure date and time are set to automatic, since OAuth tokens fail with wrong clocks. Clear Safari cookies and site data to remove stale login fragments, then sign in again using the Gmail app or iOS Mail. If you still can't sign in, go to your Google account security recent activity to find and unblock or allow the denied sign-in. That's the single most useful troubleshooting move.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.